Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best one-handle pot and pan set on the market, the SENSARTE Nonstick Saucepan with lid. Whether you're cooking for one or two, this 1.5-quart saucepan brings together versatility, convenience, and quality, all wrapped up in a sleek gray granite finish that looks great in any kitchen. Right off the bat, one of the standout features of this saucepan is its Swiss Ilag non-stick granite coating. This coating is SGS approved and completely free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, making it a safe and healthy choice for your everyday cooking. The non-stick surface lets you cook with little to no oil, promoting a healthier diet and making cleanup a breeze. You won't have to worry about food sticking to the pan or scrubbing for hours afterward. Now, when it comes to compatibility, the SENSARTE saucepan really shines. Thanks to its high magnetic conductive stainless steel base, it works perfectly on all types of cooktops, including induction, gas, and electric. The core is made from sturdy cast aluminum, which means it heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly. So no more worrying about hot spots or uneven cooking. The size is ideal too. At 6.3 inches in diameter and 3.4 inches deep, this 1.5-quart pot is perfect for preparing small portions like soups, sauces, oatmeal, or grains. It's just right for 1 to 2 people, making it a fantastic addition to any kitchen, especially if you're short on storage space. The unique lip rim design is also a nice touch, allowing you to pour liquids without any mess or drips. The design doesn't stop there. The saucepan comes with a long-lasting tempered glass lid, so you can easily monitor your cooking without lifting the lid and letting heat escape. Plus, the wood-grain Bakelite handle stays cool during cooking, giving you a comfortable and safe grip every time. And if you like to finish dishes in the oven, this pot is oven safe up to 302 degrees Fahrenheit. Cleaning is hassle-free too. Because the pan is non-stick and rivet-free, you just need to wipe it down with a sponge and warm soapy water. No stubborn residue, no complicated cleaning routines, just simple, easy maintenance that fits your busy lifestyle. The SENSARTE non-stick saucepan with lid is not only functional but also built to last, thanks to its combination of stainless steel and aluminum construction. It offers a perfect balance between durability, performance, and healthy cooking. So, if you're looking for a high-quality, versatile, and easy-to-use saucepan that will become your go-to for small meals and sauces, this SENSARTE pot is definitely worth considering. From its non-toxic coating and induction compatibility to its convenient size and thoughtful design features, it checks all the boxes for an everyday kitchen essential. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest takes on kitchen gear, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you next time.